It's the morning after the election results, but now the prayers are needed for becoming the Chief Minister. Therefore, Parvesh Verma, this morning, possibly after realizing that not only has BJP won, he has become the giant slayer to have defeated Arvind Kejriwal, in many ways similar to how in 2013 Arvind Kejriwal defeated Sheila Dikshit. But remember, Parvesh Verma is no novice politician. He's been with the BJP for years. He's the son of former Delhi CM Sahib Singh Verma. Also, he's been a former member of parliament, so he understands political equations. Early this morning, this is in Mundka, we are told, where he's at a temple to offer prayers, seek blessings. But this time, remember, lightly thanking the God to provide and render him this victory, thanking the voters who have brought him this victory. Because this is where, remember, was not just an opportunity, but a responsibility on his shoulders. BJP wanted Kejriwal out. In many ways, Parvesh Verma is the man who has been able to do it. Is he going to speak? We'll try and get in a word from Parvesh Verma. We are looking at possibly, as many are saying, the CM candidate for National Capital Delhi. Could he get an opportunity to be able to push the legacy of his father, Sahib Singh Verma? And when you return after 27 years as a party, remember that will be a lot of responsibility on his shoulders. 47 years of age, has got his education from Delhi University, has gone ahead further in education and management, has been associated with the BJP for decades now, has also been a member of Delhi Legislative Assembly. So he is one of the big names, but remember, having known the BJP, can there be a complete surprise? While many could be thinking it would be him, let's dip in to understand what his supporters and family members are saying.
और गांव चाहता कि परवेश वर्मा डॉक्टर साहब सिंह वर्मा की तरह दिल्ली का मुख्यमंत्री बने। आज से दो मांग करेगा। सुनो भाई रंजीत बोलो दादा भैरव की भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने मुझको ये अवसर दिया था कि मैं नई दिल्ली से चुनाव लड़ूं। ऐसे ही हमारे दिल्ली के सारे विधायक जो बने हैं, नांगलोई से मनोज शौकीन जी, मुंडका से गजेंद्र दराल जी और सारे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के विधायकों को बहुत बहुत बधाई। सारे भारी दिल्ली, हम जिसको वर्मा जी की सीट के नाम से जानते हैं, जो पुरानी सीट हम भारी दिल्ली कहते थे, सारी सीटें भारतीय जनता पार्टी की झोली में गई है। एक बार फिर से 1993 वाली याद ताजा हो गई है। मैं पूरी भारी दिल्ली को, सारे गांव देहात को हाथ जोड़कर आपका धन्यवाद करता हूं कि आपने एक एक सीटें भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जिताई और हमारी सरकार बनी है। ये सरकार दिल्ली देहात के लिए अच्छा काम करेगी, पूरी दिल्ली के लिए अच्छा काम करेगी, सारी कॉलोनियों के लिए। जो भी काम हमारे नेता डॉक्टर साहिब सिंह वर्मा जी के अधूरे रह गए थे, जो उनके सपने थे, वो सारे कामों को पूरा करेंगे। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के विजन को आगे बढ़ाएंगे, दिल्ली में लेकर आएंगे। बहुत सारे काम करने हैं, बहुत सारी चुनौतियां हैं। मेरे गांव का हमेशा बहुत आशीर्वाद रहता है। आपने मेरे चुनाव में भी आकर काम किया, उसका भी आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और दिल्ली को एक बहुत ही सुंदर राजधानी बनाएंगे, ऐसी राजधानी बनाएंगे जिसको हम सभी पर गर्व हो। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। एक बार फिर से हाथ जोड़कर बहुत बहुत प्रणाम।
डॉक्टर साहब सिंह वर्मा, डॉक्टर साहब सिंह वर्मा, डॉक्टर साहब सिंह
Parvesh Verma, just to give you a background, why did he say that this is reminder of the 1990s? Because it was in 1996 that his father, Sahib Singh Verma, became the Chief Minister of Delhi for about 31 months, and then till 1998 held sway, after which Sushma Swaraj became the Chief Minister for about 50 days. Is now that circle coming to the fore, from where his father left, then returning after 27 years? Let's listen in now to what did other leaders, and especially Parvesh Verma himself, speaking to India Today's Rahul Kanwal, had to say. And remember that it's also about senior leaders of the party, a lot of them in jubilation. In fact, Jay Panda also spoke to India Today. Let's listen into that first.